Islanders, islanders, right to the bone. How could we wander so far from our home? With our true love beside us, we are kissed by the sea. Islanders will always be. Well, at the foot of the hill stands a neat little still with the smoke curling up to the sky. By the sighting smell, you can plainly tell there's punching brewing nearby. Well, it fills the air with an odor bending between both me and you. As home we stroll, we'll fill it to the border back of the Mountain Dew. Well, praises high. That sweet pot change from Ireland green, still from wheat and rye. Throw away your pills, it will cure all ills of the pagan Christian or Jew. Take off your coat and grease your throat with the real Mountain Dew. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much. A warm welcome down to beautiful downtown Charlottetown here at Peaks Wharf. We're awful glad to see you. And we're called Macaroon. My name is Mark. It's my wife on the stage left and our good buddy Scott playing some percussion for you in the middle. Well, this is our last show of the summer. It's come to that. Happy Labor Day weekend to all the laborers out there. A big warm welcome to all those visiting our city and our islands. And we want to hopefully make a pretty good job of the next couple hours, and hopefully you'll have a nice experience with us here today. We're going to give you some traditional music and some Prince Edward Island music and some maritime flavored music. And farewell to you, my own true love. I am going far away. I am bound for California, but I know that I'll return someday. So fare thee well, my own true love. Oh, when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Well, I have shipped on the Yankee sailing ship, Davy Crockett.